Today, we're diving into the world of HTML5 and exploring a cool tag called details. Imagine you have some extra information on your web page that's not super crucial for everyone, but might be helpful for curious visitors. The details tag lets you create a collapsible section for this kind of content. By default, it's hidden, but users can click to expand it and see the details. To use it, you simply write details. Then, anything you put inside this tag will be the hidden content. To give users a clue about what's hidden, we use another tag along with details, called summary. Summary goes right inside the opening details tag. Whatever you write between the summary tags becomes a little heading or label that users can click to open or close the details. There's an extra attribute you can add to the details tag itself, called open. Set this to open and the details will be revealed by default, instead of being hidden. So, when should you use the details tag? It's perfect for FAQ pages, definitions, technical specifications, or anything that might clutter the page if it's always visible. Thanks for joining this quick tip. Remember, details gives you control over how much information you show on your web page, keeping things clean and user-friendly. If you want to learn more about HTML5 tags, hit that subscribe or follow button and leave a comment telling us what you'd like to see next. Until then, happy coding.